Okay, this is my uncle's John Deere 112 electric lift lawnmower. He picked this up a long time ago and it wasn't working. He had a guy rebuild the engine, put a new short block in it, and it has a brand new John Deere carburetor on it, and he ran it once and then he parked it, and I guess he went to start it again and he said it was seized, but he just proved that one really easy. We took off the gas tank, got that loose first, and emptied that. It was full of old gas. Then we took the battery off our lawnmower and put it on my uncle's so we could crank it to see if it would turn over, and it turns over. Now we're going to check her for spark. Take out the spark plug, shove her back in the cable. Get her on a good ground. This ought to be fun. Well, we got spark and compression. Now we need to get gas. So thing's been sitting with all that old gas in the gas tank. So take and get the bowl off the carburetor and empty that out. Okay, now we gotta take off the bowl. There's a bolt on the bottom of it that you gotta take loose. Make sure the needle doesn't fall out. Okay, we got that loosed. Bowl doesn't look too bad. It's not full of too much junk at all. Let's clean that out. Put this back on her and see if gas flows through her. Okay, we poured some gas in her and it comes through the fuel lines and goes down here to a fuel pump. We're going to see if some fuel comes out. Now we can put the bowl back on and put the air cleaner back together. Okay, we got gas, spark, and compression now, so we'll see if she'll start up. And this is what you do when it doesn't start. You can take out the spark plug. This works good when, like snow blowers, when it's been sitting all winter. Take out the spark plug, you put a little gas down in there to get her to go. Not too much.